Yesterday we were at a friend's farm where he raises longhorns. It was a lot of fun and we picked up about 60 pounds of longhorn meat, steaks and ground beef. And this evening we will have cowboy longhorn chili for dinner. Now the meat was frozen when I got it and I forgot to leave out a package. So the meat is still a little frozen, but it doesn't matter, it will just take a minute longer. Because longhorn meat is so much leaner than other meat, I need about 1 stick of unsalted butter and a splash of oil. Once melted, I put in my longhorn meat. Diced onions would be great in the chili, but no one in my family can eat onions. Well, raw it's fine, but cooked? I season the meat with black pepper, red crushed pepper, garlic powder, celery salt, paprika, and chili powder. Now we add 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, one can of drained kidney beans, some jalapeno peppers, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm sure I say it wrong, but I think you know what I mean. Mix it all together over medium heat and I let it simmer for about 40 minutes and stir from time to time. Alright, we're gonna eat now. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you next time. Bye!